Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a little secret that plumbers don't want you to know. Have you ever faced the dreaded clogged sink? Well, after watching this video, you'll never have to pay for a plumber again. Let's get started. All you need are two main elements, and trust me, this is going to be easier than you think. First up, let's crack an egg into a container. Now, we only need the egg white, so let's set that yolk aside. This magic is just beginning. Next, grab your favorite dish soap. 5 tablespoons will do the trick. This mixture is key, and I'll explain why in just a moment. Give it a good stir. Now, we all know that clogged sinks are a pain, especially after washing dishes. So before we pour our solution, make sure to remove some excess water from the sink. This will make our concoction more effective. Next up, let's add some baking soda. About 2 tablespoons should do nicely. And we can't forget the vinegar. I'm using white vinegar, but any type at home will work. We need about 3 ounces, approximately half a cup. Finally, let's finish this off with 4 cups of hot water. It doesn't need to be boiling, just hot enough to help those ingredients work their magic. Now, this bubbly mixture will create an effervescent reaction that'll help clear your pipes. If you have plastic wrap, cover the sink for quicker action, but don't sweat it. If you don't, it'll still work. After pouring all the water, just let it sit and watch the magic happen. Gradually, you'll see the water start to drain. Look at that. It's simple and effective. No need to call a plumber. You can do this yourself quickly and without spending a dime. You'll definitely save both time and money. So, the next time your sink gets clogged, you know exactly what to do. I hope you enjoyed today's tip. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome DIY hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.